uh, been one of the best periods of my life. Believe it or not, I'm 50 years of age. I was 50 in May, and since this period here just continues to delight. So great birthday with my friends, a couple of gigs along the way, the Isle of Wight Festival with my family, but interspersed with winning the EGR award for AI and Data Partner, successfully closing this funding round, and more to come. So I'm off to Israel to watch my kids and my son play for Team GB in the Maccabea Games, and I can honestly say this has probably been one of the best periods of my life, and I feel very fortunate because it doesn't always work out as good as it has in this period, and there's rough with the smooth, but right now we're in one of those smooth golden periods, so I'm enjoying it, our team are enjoying it, our customers are enjoying it, so smiling here as we move into the summer. What we found is that the stars are aligning across the industry. AI is at the forefront of everyone's minds. The power of data, the opportunity to leverage your data to improve your business, grow market share, beat the competition is so high, and there's so much to achieve that we wanted to make sure that we were adequately funded in order to tackle all these opportunities and bring great innovative products to market, investing in our data set, continued investing in our technology. As we speak here, we probably processed almost 200 billion transactions across our platform, and companies like Microsoft are making this possible for us, and there's so much ahead that, again, we just wanted to make sure we were set up in the right way to achieve it. So much more to come. Privileged. Got a great group of customers that have all been with us since the beginning. I think we might have lost one along the way, but we're counting almost 20 customers at this point across some of the best and biggest in the industry to some of the fastest growing startups. So, with this investment, we're going to commit at least £3 million into R&D, and we're going to bring products to market that have never been seen before. And some of them are already at MVP stage, so we think we're going to produce them and launch them quite quickly, all designed to improve the player experience, all using AI, responsible gambling at their heart. So our customers have been brilliant, they're supportive, they all want to do more, and I just continue to see a great path ahead for them, for us, and for us working together. Also, what I find really interesting about Future Anthem is at our point in our horizon is very aligned with the industry horizon, where data is going to be much more important in the next phase, to be used in real time, to interject in the customer experience for better. So obviously we all want players to have a safe and enjoyable gambling experience. The UK White Paper is about to be published. We're right in the heart of this. We're leading with data, we're leading with research in this whole area. We've got some tremendous plans in this particular part of our business to really focus on the entire base and their enjoyment in gambling. So again, watch out, because we're going to transform and innovate in this particular area in ways not yet seen before.
Cooking with the CEO. See, look, I'm already impressed.
Barbecue extraordinaire.
I'm already impressed that you've got Weber briquettes. So you're a man who knows. You're a man who knows. I'm curious why you've got charcoal and briquettes.
Because that's how you make the perfect barbecue. Let me show you. Building a barbecue has a lot of parallels in how I think you can build great teams, just like we have at Future Anthem. So you have your fire lighters, all important to a good barbecue. You lace a few here at the bottom, your high performers. And then what you've got to do is you've got to stack your barbecue with some really robust and strong briquettes here at the bottom. Then you upgrade and you find the finest restaurant charcoal, hopefully quite a lot of it. And you pour it in. then what you got to do is get your hands dirty, because what you need to then do is build the barbecue so the air stays within, and what you do is you build up from the bottom. So you build this perfect barbecue that keeps all the oxygen inside and it warms from within. You've got to get your hands dirty at the same time as the chief exec, but very, very importantly, you build the organisation from the ground up, not from the top down. So you build the barbie from the beginning and you build your pyramid like that, and this is the recipe for a perfect barbecue, because once you light it in there, everything's going to go beautiful for half an hour. You let it cool down for 15 minutes and then you cook for half an hour and you're going to have the most perfect barbecue. We're going to do the same tonight with my family to enjoy the success that we've had. So yeah, this is how to make a perfect barbecue. I also have the perfect recipe for the best ever barbecue sauce you will ever taste. So if you want to get hold of it, email me, because it's like nothing you've ever eaten before, and I make it compulsory for anybody who eats my barbecues. They have to try it and eat it with my homemade barbecue sauce. So email me, leigh.nissim@futureanthem.com. I'll send you the recipe. Honestly, you won't look back.